क्या बजट अवाम की उमंगों के मुताबिक है? क्या अवाम ऐसा बजट चाहते थे? खातून अव्वल और रुकन कौमी असम्बली आसफा भुट्टो का असम्बली इजलास से पहला तंदोतेज खिताब। बजट को अवाम दुश्मन करार दे दिया। बोली, शदीद गर्मी में 15 से 20 घंटे लोड शेडिंग का अजाब है। हमें मुल्क के गरीब तरीन शहरियों को सहूलतें फराहम करना होंगी।
We all, as citizens of this fine country, had hopes and aspirations for this budget that had at its core the needs of the people of Pakistan. A budget which provided relief and redirected subsidies to the poor, to the farmers, to the labourers, to the working class. Do you think that these objectives have been raised in this budget? Do you think this is the budget that the people of Pakistan deserve? The people of Pakistan deserve better, Mr. Speaker, and we must work together to do better for our citizens. Together we have to find a way to give relief to the people who are suffering 15 hours a day without electricity in this sweltering heat. I hope, Mr. Speaker, that we are able to see a new age in politics. I hope for a new beginning.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।